McDo.
Mac.
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 Burger King.
Burger King.
Burger King.
Burger King.
KFC.
KFC.
Kekos.
KFC.
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 Okay. Punta tayo sa KFC.
No, punta tayo sa KFC.
Okay, next. TV.
TV.
TV. How about WWW?
VVV. Pero it's funny because we know that VVV is BBB.
Oh. Kasi
Pero
TV,
when we
TV,
say
TV.
those three words together, those three letters together,
Pero
we
yung
mean
W.
we mean the W.
Oo nga no.
Di ba?
TV. TV. Tapos WW. V lang. Bakit ganon?
Hindi ko alam.
Okay,
Don't start.
Next. M&M's.
MMNs. MMNs. We used to say, since I was a kid, I used to say MMNs, and now I cannot change it anymore.
M&M's?
Yes.
Okay.
MMNs.
Yung sa yung tilaok ng manok. Tik-tilaok! Sa Italian.
Paano sa Tagal?
Tik-tilaok! Ganon.
Para hindi ka na ganyan when I hear the manok natin.
Ganon kaya, pakinggan mo bukas sa umaga. Sa Italian ba paano?
Sa Italian, it's more like kikiriki! Talaga, since I was a kid, always, kahit lola ko, she used to say, kikiriki! That's the rooster, of course. Sa umaga, alas 5 ng umaga, I would say, he would start to sing.
Tik-tilaok! Ganon.
Parang malayo sa akin.
Kikiriki, guys.
Guys, ano sa palagay mo, ninyo? What's more close? Tiktilao
Tik-tilaok.
o kikiriki?